Hello everyone, my name is Tori from Simply Glam with Tori, and I am going to be doing an unboxing today. So what am I unboxing? I am unboxing my brand new Color Street starter kit, and this thing is heavy, I have to tell you. So let's find out what is inside. I'm very excited. I've been waiting a few days to record this video so that I could unbox this for everyone. And the day is finally here. So let's see what we have. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to open up this box. They gave me a cute little tote bag. I will be filling this up. Sorry, I have to reposition myself here. I will be filling this up with all of my goodies. That's exciting. 3 bags. Cool. Alright. Next, I have a couple of, what is this? This is a how-to graphic, great, and some tips and tricks, do's and don'ts. Got a note from Fa Park, who is the inventor, creator of Color Street, great guy, and what you need to do when you, so a starter kit, let me just restart here. So I am a new independent stylist with Color Street, and the starter kit is all the things that I need to jumpstart my business. I use little quotes because I've already jumpstarted my business, as you've seen from my other posts and from my business page. I was able to get started before my starter kit arrived. And how, might you ask? Well, I have a couple of these mystery sets which I was selling, and I sold 10 of them, which means that it covered the cost of my starter kit, which is $120. Great, awesome. All right, anyway, so now that I have my starter kit, I can fill these mystery sets with the sets that came inside this kit. Okay, so this is all the training videos and how to download their app. All right, let's see. I have a little journal here that's where you put your contact info and some goals and some extra tips and tricks. I know there's a graphic in here that's kind of like the other one of like how to put it on. Also got some of these I also got some of these catalogs, which if you guys want a free catalog, you want to know what colors we have out right now, if you want to share my business with your friends, that would be great. These will be free for you, for anyone who wants to look at all the colors without having to use the computer. That's how you do it. Use these catalogs. Okay. Also in here I have a couple of nail polish remover pads. You can use regular nail polish remover. These pads just make it a little easier. Why? Because you don't have to buy cotton and a remover. They're already infused in these cotton pads. But they are no different than regular nail polish remover. You don't need to buy anything to remove nail polish. New, I should say. Don't need to buy anything new. If you don't have nail polish remover, you should probably get that. But, okay. These are nail prep pads. Basically, you'll just use them to kind of wipe away any stuff you got going on your nails after you filed them before you put your Color Street on. These are actually included in your Color Street set. So when you buy a set, it comes with a nail prep pad. It comes with a little nail file. So you don't really need anything when you put these on. It all comes with everything you need for you. Okay, so they also gave me a bunch of Cuticle Pushers and some little mini nail files. These are actually smaller than the ones that are given to you in your sets. So if you want a smaller version than the ones you get in your set, you can ask me and I will give them to you. No problem. Okay. And fun fact, these are still not as great as the ones that are already in your mystery set. So in the mystery sets that I was selling, and I still have extras if you want some, They are one large crystal nail file, which supposedly is better for your nails than using the sandpaper ones. And also this is a rubber cuticle pusher, which is a little bit better than this wooden one, which may or may not help your nails. In these sets, I also have a matching pair of earrings that will match whatever set you want in there. And then of course, you know, you have your mystery set, which will be in there. It's not going to be a mystery. I don't really like giving people things that they don't want, so I'm going to ask you what your preferences are, and we can go from there. Okay, so now let's keep going. So in this set, I also have this extra section. It comes with maybe, I don't know, looks like almost 100 of these little accent nail packs slash samples slash 2-finger testers. You can use these if you want to practice. You've never had color sheet before, you want to make sure you put them on right. I can give you a free sample. Also, if you want to kind of break up your manicure and not have everything be the same, this is the New Year's Eve edition Drop the Ball. I love it. But if I didn't love it and I wanted to kind of break it up with another color, you would use these little samples. You could put like one on each hand, or if you have 2 of them, you can like mix up your manicure. Super cool. They are free. I will give you one. And it came with 13 of these sets, which is awesome. I'm going to include some of them in the mystery sets, as well as you guys can buy them on my Facebook page. I have a business page called Simply Glam with Tori. I'll be posting my inventory on there. In addition to the link, if you want specific colors, you can buy, or if you want to take advantage of the buy 3 get 1 free, or the buy 1 get 1 free for French manicures, those will happen on my website, which will be posted there. Alright, so in this starter kit I have a couple of pedicure sets. We do offer pedicures. I also have, there's the French manicure ones. I also have some petites, so if you have small hands like me, I have very tiny hands. I don't know if you can tell, but I have tiny hands, and these petite ones are really great for that. I don't know if we're supposed to be advertising for kids, because, you know, it's kind of taboo to put nail polish on your kids, but you can use these little strips for small tiny hands, and may or may not be easier than just the regular sizes, which you can still cut down to whatever size you need. There's tons of sizes in here. I have some ombre colors, couple of glitters. I have some solids in here. This one is cool. I love it. It is an overlay. So these are polka dots. So it's actually on a clear strip. So you can put these polka dots on top of a solid set. There's other ones like this too. So there's a like striped one. There's stars. You can overlay them on top of your manicure to give you kind of like a boosted nail art. What else is in here? I got another ombre glittery one. It's great. And yeah, I got a couple more glitters. These will all be posted on my Facebook page. I also have a couple of these nail buffers. Super cool. Probably going to give these away. I do a lot of giveaways on my VIP Facebook page. So I have a group, if you want to be added to it, where you can have special deals and giveaways. This may be included in some of them. Obviously, I'm not just going to give it away by itself, because it's kind of a weird giveaway, but I would include it in, like, you know, a little gift set. And then I have these, a couple of these nail files were given in the starter kit. May or may not use it myself or give it away to somebody, but it's cool. And yeah, so that is what's inside my starter kit. I'm super excited to mail all of my mystery sets out to people. And yeah, I just can't wait to continue on this journey with everybody. I'm so grateful for all of you for even, you know, watching this right now. I hope that this business that I'm in kind of gives you a little bit more joy, like I know that it has for me, just by being able to talk to people about, you know, something as simple as nail polish. I mean, these times that we're in right now are really difficult, and sometimes you just want to talk about nail polish and you don't want to talk about anything else. And that's what's so great about what I can do now is kind of talk about something that's not as heavy. And so anyways, I hope that you all have a great rest of your day. And if you want to join my VIP Facebook group, or if you want to just look at my business page, it's simply Glam with Tori. And yeah, send me a message and I will definitely get you set up. All right. Have a nice day.